So good day everyone. We will be reporting the Cambodia policing system. Without further ado, so let's start.
Cambodian policing system. It refers to national structure responsible for enforcing laws, maintaining peace and order, and protecting public safety. Cambodian National Police or CNP. It is one of three general departments within the Ministry of the Interior and handle most law enforcement function. It shares some functional overlap with the military police, which operates under the Ministry of Defense. The National Police System is a primary law enforcement agency under the Ministry of Interior. It handles the crime prevention, criminal investigation, traffic control, and the other policing duties nationwide. Although some responsibility overlap with the National Gendarmerie under the Ministry of Defense. 1863 to 1883, Cambodian under French Protectorate. Napasailalim daw ang Cambodia sa French, kaya ang police system daw po ay kontrolado at nakabase sa French administration. In 1884 to 1945, dito daw po ay isinagawa ang mga krimer kasama ang mga French, at dito nabuo ang iba't ibang police units tulad ng City Police, River Police, Rural Police, and Provincial Police, Railway Police, para mas maayos ang law enforcement. Maritime and Sanitary Police established at 1896 to 1905, River Police 1912, Rural Police 1925, Provincial Police 1931, Railway Police 1931. 1945, the Cambodian National Police was officially established. In 1953, France transferred police authority to the Royal Government of Cambodia before full independence. In 1956, Cambodia joined Interpol to strengthen international cooperation against crime. In 2000, Cambodia became a member of ASEANPol to enhance regional police cooperation.
Assignment and Development of Cambodian National Police. Kada sa 100 person na tao sa isang lugar sa Cambodia, ay nagde-deploy sila ng 410 na police para magbantay. Retirement benefit of Cambodian Police. Ang retirement age sa Cambodian Police ay 65 years old, at pag tumuto ka ng 65 years old ay doon na mabibigay sa iyo ang iyong benefits. The motto of Cambodian National Police: honesty, loyalty, and professionalism.
Next is the organizational structure. Ministry of Interior led by the Ministry of Interior, 6 Secretaries of State and 4 Undersecretaries of State. It oversees the CNP, policing training, judicial police, drug units, border police, and prisons. CNP leadership headed by the Deputy Prime Minister Sangkeng, Ministry of Interior, and the Commissioner General, 4-star general rank, with the current one being Net Sovon. The CNP has about 64,000 personnel. Next is the division. There are 4 autonomous units headed by the collectively by the first Deputy Director of the National Police. Interpol Unit, the International Cooperation Headquarter Units, Central Command, Intervention Unit, Rapid Response, and the Drug Enforcement Unit or Anti-Narcotic. Next. There are also 5 central departments, each managed by a Chief of Department and Deputy Director, Department of Border Control, sub-departments Land Border, Marine Border, Logistic and Technique, Public Order Department, Sub-Department Social Security Defense, Administration, Public Order, and the Department of Justice. Judicial Police, meant to function under the Prosecutor General but often directed by the National Commander, divided into 3 sub-departments, though details are incomplete in the document. So ito yung pinaka-structure ng Cambodian Police, which is the Ministry of Interior. This is the top authority or tagapamuno, tinatawag na Ministry of Interior. Their highest governing body na nagpapanatili ng security ng bansa nila and policing system ng Cambodia. Next is the General Commissariat of National Police. Ito naman yung main command authority ng Cambodian National Police or pinaka nagmamanage ng policing system ng Cambodia. Yung pinaka-position or title ng mga nandito is the Director General or General Commissioner na may rank na Police General or 4-star or the Lieutenant General. For the Deputy Director General or yung pinaka-senior ay tinatawag naman na Lieutenant General or the Major General. Next is the Royal Police School, responsible for police education sa training and sa mga professional development. And then, sunod naman is yung headquarters and special bureaus. Ito yung 4 autonomous unit na gumaganap as a operational center or nagko-coordinate ng police activity sa bansa nila. First is the Interpol or nangangasiyo sa International Police Cooperation, Tourist Police Department para sa naman sa mga safety and security ng turista, anti-drug and for drug prevention and enforcement, and then the intervention, the rapid response, and about naman sa mga special cooperation. Na may title naman dito ng mga director, and then may rank na Major General or Brigadier General. For the Deputy Director naman is may rank na Brigadier General or Colonel. For the Administrative and Support Department from the left side, ito naman yung nagsusuporta naman sa mga logistic, communication, health infrastructure, and yung sa mga regional cooperation ng Cambodian National Police. Sunod is the Central Department or yung 5 Central Department, and lahat naman yan ay may mga specific field na hinahandle para sa policing function ng bansa. Department Director, yung rank naman nitong mga Department Director ay Major General or Brigadier General. Sunod is the Deputy Director, yung rank naman is Brigadier General or Colonel. Para naman sa mga division or bureaus chief, rank naman nila ay Colonel or Lieutenant Colonel. Para sa mga local police structure or yung mga nasa baba, they are the field level police units and operation nationwide. Yung mga unit na to naman ay nag-handle ng day-to-day enforcement and local levels. So first na dyan is yung Provincial and Municipal Police Commissariat. May title na Police Commissioner or Provincial man or Municipal. May rank na Major General sa malalaking provinces, especially sa Phnom Penh, sa mismong capital ng Cambodia. And the Deputy Commissioner na may rank na Colonel or the Lieutenant Colonel. Sunod is the Inspectorate District Police na may title na District Police Chief na may rank na Lieutenant Colonel or the Major. Then lastly is the Post of Administrative Police na may title na Police Post Chief and may rank na Captain or Lieutenant. Para naman sa mga deputy ay may rank na lieutenant, sergeant, and pwede rin sa corporal. Next.
Rank classification, non-commissioned officers, staff sergeant, first sergeant, sergeant major, warrant officer, chief warrant officer. Yung rank nila ay nakabase sa military kasi sa French influence. Non-commissioned officers are the lowest rank. Junior officers, which is second lieutenant, first lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel. Second, sa pinakamataas, sila yung humahandle sa NCOs or non-commissioned officers. Senior officers, brigadier general, 1 star, major general, 2 star, lieutenant general, 3 star, general, 4 star. Rank insignia of Cambodian National Police. Chief corporal, simple insignia with the police emblem, no stripe, stars, entry-level supervisory role overseeing small teams. Staff sergeant, 1 tick stripe plus emblem, leads squads or handles specialized tasks. Master sergeant, 2 tick stripes plus emblem, senior NCO supports commissioned officers in managing units. Command sergeant major emblem with additional detailing. Top NCO rank acts as a key advisor to high-ranking officers on troop welfare and discipline. Warrant officer emblem with a small star stripe element, specialized technical or leadership role, bringing NCOs and junior officers. Commissioned officers, second lieutenant, first lieutenant. Emblem with a single star, second lieutenant or slight variation. First lieutenant, junior officers leading platoons or small operational teams. Captain, 2 horizontal stripe plus emblem, commands companies or manage departmental sections. Major, 3 horizontal stripes plus emblem, leads battalions or heads specialized divisions, for example, traffic and investigations. Lieutenant colonel or colonel, multiple tick stripes plus emblem, oversee regiments or provincial police commands. Colonels may lead large regional offices. Brigadier General, first star or 1 star, Major General, 2 stars, Lieutenant General, 3 stars, General, 4 stars. Stars on the insignia 1 to 4 denote general officer ranks responsible for strategic planning, national level units, or leading the entire force, General Commissioner.
Unique policing system. Cambodian system blends civilian and military policing with the CNP civilian overlapping functionally with the National Gendarmerie Military Police under the Ministry of Defense. Ito daw yung pinagsama-sama ang mga sistema at batas na civilian police at civilian militar upang gampanan ang tungkulin ng police at militar sa ilalim ng Ministry of Defense. Criminal justice system in Cambodia based on civil law and customary practices. Law enforcement. Royal Cambodian Police, RCP, maintain order and investigate crime. Ito daw yung Royal Cambodian na nag-iimbestiga upang maiwasan ang mga krimen. Judiciary. 3 levels court of first instance, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court. Ito daw yung tatlong uri ng korte, Apela, Suprema at Korte. Legal representation. Defendants have the right to a lawyer. Public defenders are available for those who cannot afford one. Access to quality legal aid can be limited. Ito daw yung may karapatan sa abogado.
Trial producer. Trial are generally open to public. Perception of innocence until proven guilty. Report of unlimited evidence access and course concession. Sa trial producer daw po, ito daw po yung karaniwang bukas sa publiko at may perception of innocence o innocent hanggat hindi napapaturoy ang may sala. Gayunpaman may mga ulat na hindi patas na paglilitis, limitadong ebidensya at sablitang pag-amin. Correction. Managed by General Department of Prison. Problem include overcrowding, poor condition, and report of abuse. Dito daw po ay pinamamalaan ng General Department of Prison kabilang sa mga suliranin ang sobrang siksikan sa mga kulungan, hindi maayos na kondisyon at ulat ng pang-aabuso. Models of policing system in Cambodia operates under the centralized policing system led by Cambodia National Police, supervised by Ministry of Interior, set national police and coordinate law enforcement. Local police exit by remain under national authority. Dito daw po ay pinamumunuan ito ng Cambodia National Police sa ilalim ng Ministry of Interior na nagtatakda ng pambansang pulisya at nangangasiwa sa mga lokal na pulis na nasa ilalim ng pambansang otoridad.
And that's all po, sir. Thank you.